Hi, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to unbox this puzzle mat that I ordered online. This is a puzzle mat that consists of multiple interlocking foam tiles that you can arrange like a jigsaw puzzle. It's supposed to provide cushioning and support for your joints and spine while you work out on hard floors, prevent barbells from damaging or cracking floor tiles, and can be used as a crawling playmat for babies and kids. I purchased 6 packages of puzzle mats with 10 pieces each. I picked green and blue, measuring 30 by 30 cm and 1 cm thick, which is enough for my small home gym area. It has a non-slip texture surface to prevent slipping and sliding. Now, let me try to assemble the mat. It's very simple and fun, just like putting together a puzzle. You just need to align the tiles and snap them together. You can also mix and match different colors or patterns if you want to create your own design. And here's the final result. The mat looks great and feels comfortable under my feet. It's thick enough to absorb the impact of jumping or running, but not too soft that it affects my balance and stability. It's perfect for any kind of home workout, whether it's cardio, strength training, yoga, or Pilates. I highly recommend it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox and assemble it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.